Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunita. So this vlog is starting with my morning routine. I woke up, had my tea, brushed my teeth, and now I'm going to start with my breakfast. I'm also going to empty all the vessels from my dish draining rack so that it would be easier before I start my breakfast. And today I'm going to make idli from this freshly ground idli dosa batter. Before we start, I'll also show my fridge as it is fully stocked. I went for grocery shopping yesterday, so it is not well organized, I would say. It looks full. I have all the vegetables stored in these boxes. I'm trying to avoid plastic covers as much as possible, but I wouldn't say that I have completely avoided. Instead, I'm using acrylic containers like so. So I have some fruits inside this basket. I always write the names of the fruits and vegetables that are available inside the fridge. I don't know why. I find this way easier because I know this is not practically possible or few might not find this helpful. But for me personally it works. I'll not waste any vegetables or fruits if I'm following this method. So it works for me. And this is a new tip that I'm following recently. There are many people who write a to-do list. Similarly, I have written this and I have stuck it here so that it would be easier for me to view. I have written what I'm going to make for lunch, evening snack and breakfast, everything. And also I have written which recipes I'm going to cover in my English channel and for which recipes I'm going to cover for my Tamil vlog. And the pending works that I'll have to finish today. I'll have to upload videos in my dad's channel, upload in my Tamil channel and edit few videos. And these are the fruits that I should use today because they are ripe well. So this is a small tip you can follow. I'll show you how to make this simple and spicy chutney. So to a kadai I have added around half a teaspoon of oil. To this I'm adding 3 red chilies. To this I'm adding half a teaspoon of sesame seeds. Before it burns, I'm going to add one big onion which I have sliced and 2 tomatoes. To this I'm adding few curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves and a small piece of ginger which I have chopped. Mix it well and I'm going to saute this on medium flame for around 3 minutes. Now this is ready. I'm going to turn off the flame and let it cool down and afterwards we'll grind it into a smooth paste. For today's lunch I'm going to make a simple porridge and for that I have taken 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of green gram, and half a cup of black urad dal. I'm going to rinse this in water and soak this in water for at least 2 to 3 hours. Our fresh and hot idlis are now ready. So look at this. It is very soft. Do try this chutney. It is a simple one and a healthy one too as we have added curry leaves, coriander leaves and also ginger. It is a perfect combination for idlis and dosas. So do try it. I'll finish my breakfast and then see you guys. So now the time is 10:30. I have started preparing my lunch. As I informed earlier, I am making mutton soup and a simple porridge today. Because of the climatic condition, all 3 kids had mild cold yesterday. They are fine now, but to be on the safer side, I'm making a spicy mutton soup using pepper so that it is good for their health. Also, I thought a simple porridge would be comforting for them too. So that is the reason for me to make this lunch today. I'm going to relax for 30 minutes. It's my me time. I'm going to watch a series in Netflix. I'm watching How to Get Away with Murder. Let me know how many of you watched the series. Earlier I watched Money Heist and I was completely addicted to it. I completed all the season in 3 days. So this time I have decided not to get addicted. So whenever I get my me time, that is 30 minutes, I try to finish one episode. So I'm doing it. It's been almost 3 days since I started watching. I'm done with first episode. I'm now watching the episode 2 from season 2. It's actually very good. I personally like crime thriller series. Let me know what are all the other crime thriller series that you like so that I can watch them too. I'll quickly share the recipe of this soup. I have taken 250 grams of mutton today. To it, I added 3 cups of water and I let it boil. And after around 10 minutes, I added small onions and around 10 to 15 cloves of garlic. And now I have freshly crushed peppercorns and cumin seeds. You can add more or less peppercorns as you wish according to your spice level. I'm going to add this now. I have also added salt. Mix and let this be on medium flame for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now the mutton soup is ready. I'm going to serve it for kids. And this is also ready. And I made a chutney to go along with the porridge. This is the same chutney that I made for breakfast today. I just added half a cup of grated coconut, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and around a tablespoon of tamarind juice. And then I made it into a paste. So this would go well with the porridge. It would be a spicy one. If you're making the porridge for lunch, do not skip doing this because this is a perfect combo. As we did not add any spicy ingredients for the porridge, this would go well with it. So do give it a try. I have also uploaded a dedicated video in my Tamil channel. If you wish, I can give you the link in the description and comment section. You can check that as well. So we will finish our lunch and then I'll continue this vlog. So except Tintu, we all had our lunch. Tintu is still eating. So it's cleaning time now. Let me quickly clean up the kitchen. So I have more vessels to wash. Let me first finish that and I'll clean the countertop and also the island. The kitchen is fully cleaned now. We also ate a papaya and now it's time for our evening skincare routine. I'm going to wash my face using Wow Upton face wash. If in case you want to... Say hi, Tintu.
Hi.
I guess I did not include kids in this vlog as well. They had online classes in the morning and now they are sitting and it's time for them to play. It's around 4:30. We usually go to the terrace and play as I have informed in the last vlog. Are you ready, Tintu?
Ready.
Shall we go to the terrace? What are you going to play? Huh? What do you want to play?
Sticker.
Sticker! So she has got some new stickers today. What stickers are those, Tintu?
Smile.
Smile! So she loves smileys, different emojis. So I got her that.
Smile in the
Smileys, okay? So she's playing with that.
Smile matoda.
Smile! So she wanted to play with that. After this vlog, I'm going to record a Tamil vlog in which I'm going to include few recipes. I'm going to make egg kottu parota or mutton kottu parota for dinner tonight. If in case you wanted to check that, I'll leave the link in the description box. Do check it out. So I'm going to include the surprise in the next vlog. Look at him. He's very happy now. What? I was just kidding. I have some papaya pieces left, so I thought I can apply it as a face mask. I'm going to apply, sit and relax for a few minutes and then get into an Gudiya ready for their playtime. So that's the end of this vlog. Maybe I'll finish with that. If you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.
Bye.